just got your new XPR in our premium ProBox. Here's how to build it. Reference these timestamps to skip ahead if needed. Start by opening one side of the box using box cutters or scissors. You'll see there are instructions for new bike day and 2 handles on the inner box. Remove the 2 boxes under the handlebars, which include all of your small parts. If the aero extensions on your XPR were adjusted for shipping, follow these easy steps to correctly put them back into place. Use a 6mm bit on your torque wrench to loosen the screws that attach your aero extensions to your handlebars. Adjust the extensions to your preferred length and angle, then tighten the clamps to 5 to 6 Nm. Next, use clippers or scissors to cut all zip ties or packaging that came on the bike. Within the small parts bag, locate the through axle tool on the torque wrench with a 6mm bit to remove the front through axle from the fork. Remove the plastic spacer. Remove the seat post and saddle by lifting the front of the bike up and sliding the seat post out. If you have a Shimano Di2 build, locate your Di2 tool. Then remove the tape that keeps the Di2 wires together. Slide the wires into the tool, then plug each wire into 3 holes on the bottom of the seat post. It does not matter which hole each wire plugs into. To charge your Shimano Di2 setup, locate the charging port on the back of the rear derailleur. There will be a lid that opens to the charger. Then plug in your Shimano charger that came in your small parts box. If your XPR has a SRAM build, make sure your batteries are charged. Then install the 2 SRAM batteries into the rear and front derailleurs by lifting the lip, placing the battery snug, then snapping the lip down until you hear a click. To charge the SRAM batteries, do the same as inserting them on your bike. Make sure that it clicks into place while charging. You will see a light turn on to indicate that the battery is charging. To install the seat post, first locate your seat post wedge. Slide the wedge in with the seat post and adjust it to your preferred seat height. Use the 4mm bit on your torque wrench to torque it to 6 to 8 Nm. Next, locate the through axle tool again to remove your rear through axle. Lift the chain away from the through axle when pulling it out, and be careful not to scratch the frame. To install the rear wheel, line the smallest gear on the cassette up with the chain. Gently pull back on the rear derailleur and line the rotor up in between the brake caliper until it slides in. Take the longer through axle and reinstall it through the rear wheel, tighten down with a 6mm through axle tool found in your small parts bag. To install the front wheel, line the rotor up with the center of the brake pads in the brake caliper until it slides into place. Then slide the front through axle through the fork and wheel and tighten it down. Now that we've got the wheels on, we can install the QBox. Remove the lid first, then align the box with the tracks on the frame and slide it down. To put the top back on, squeeze the 2 tabs on the outside and line up with the box until it clicks. Locate the front hydration system from your small parts box. Then locate the beak under the handlebars and line it up with the tracks on the inside of the hydration system. You'll hear a click when it is correctly installed. Before we get to riding, make sure you check tire pressure, torque specs, and attachments before going out and enjoying your ride. To learn more about your XPR, check us out at QuintanaRooTry.com.